I think it's time for us to move out of our house. Then we just go.
Unasema nini? Look at that dog. It's a golden retriever.
What? Nice dog.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Aki a golden retriever. Aki gosh.
Okay, guys, we just saw a golden retriever, guys.
And she was so big and fluffy. Welcome to our
How do you have such a nice dog?
I don't even know. They just do.
I think it's time for us to move out of our house. Then we just go.
Unasema nini?
We've got to give me the sanitizer. We leave our house. No, okay, I have this one. Guys, remember to sanitize your hands all the time. Shika.
Mekanga mingi.
Yeah, we sanitize.
Guys, sanitize but use it sparingly. Sparingly.
Yeah, I'm like, alright guys, good morning. Yesterday, as you saw, we had a fantastic time at the premiere of 46. Gloria, you should watch that movie.
I will. See, it's on Netflix.
It's on Netflix. Go watch 46. The president is doing something. You see, where you just left from.
Aya, nasikianga ati hapa ukifilm ati unashikwa vibaya.
Hapa by the lazima president and all these cops. We are state house right now.
Mbona nakwambia usikuje. Hi. Mbona tu masalamu tuna ni polisi. Unajua these girls don't learn.
It's okay. Cops are people like us. Hello. Hi.
You know how you tell someone watakufanya vibaya. Watakufanya vibaya.
You don't say that. Okay guys, so yesterday was so much fun.
Wait. We've seen that dog, I've remembered. Me and Karen were in an Uber when we were going home. And then tukona a lady, I think she's a house help. Alikuwa na walk a dog. Mkono ameshikilia leash ili ni kijiti. So ameiwalk. We're like ona zake wakitokea venye hiyo kijiti cha rusho.
Mbona kwa shida kijiti? Uchapa dog.
Wako kwa njia wanatembea tu vizuri, amebeba tu ameshikilia hivi. Hiyo kijiti ni kubwa na kana amekata kwa mti ni fresh.
Bado kuna zile miba.
Niko na sema when the owners tokea hiyo kijiti cha rusho.
If it's your dog, if it's your dog and the owner is, the house help is walking it with a stick, what would you say?
I would say or do.
Okay, please, dog owners, make sure that the people who are walking your dogs don't have sticks.
Get it was
funny.
an
Accident.
I've said,
Look. Huh?
Motorbike.
Okay, guys, let me try to show you.
Kitu imeisha. Wow.
I can't show you. Alright, guys, we really tried to show you, but it seems that it was the motorbike was a very bad accident. So guys, so like I was saying, yesterday we went for that movie premiere with Anita. So I was doing this Insta story with Anita. Watch her shindwe na kizungu. It was so funny. We kept laughing with her the whole night. Then it was really interesting. But we had so much fun. We took amazing pictures. And the movie is just superb. I mean, Faki, you did a fantastic job. So right now,
hadi ni KCR wewe
mani yangu. So guys, so today
wanishe karibu have accident hapa.
Really? And that's why you want to drive my car?
Actually, can I drive it on the way back?
No, you can't.
Yase barabara ina watu.
So the time we're coming back is going to be packed. So no.
Yeah, that's the best. Mimi napanga traffic ndo tufuatane ndo bijue barabara.
No. So guys, so right now we are heading to Medihill Hospital.
Let me give you a challenge.
See first. You keep cutting me short.
You are saying?
I was saying. I was putting into perspective where we're going because we're almost getting there. So before you say, give me a challenge. So
Peter.
Okay, tell me.
Tunde Uhuru Park to ride boats.
With this cold.
Even better.
Chick, you go. I'll drop you.
No, let's go.
I'll drop you.
Guys, comment down below if you want Betty to go to Uhuru Park and ride those boats. Yeah.
Of course they'll say I do it. Of course. Da.
Prove her right.
Prove me right. So guys, we're heading to Medihill Hospital, and I'm a bit nervous, by the way, Gloria.
HIV?
So I'm doing my annual medical checkup at Medihill Hospital. They have amazing packages, but I'm a bit nervous because as we just live life, and sometimes you don't know what you got.
But I feel like it's better not knowing.
So we turn back.
We're
now in university way. So you'd rather not know.
Imagine for me, I'd rather not know.
But what if you have something, and maybe if you knew at the onset, you'd be able to.
Let me tell you, life is short to everyone. Stop trying to change your reality. Stop trying to change it. If you're supposed to die, you die. No, for sure.
That is so.
No, it's like that.
You're gonna
try to slow your death. But guys, we're all gonna end up the same way. So you just live your life. The moment you have cancer, you start feeling cancer-ish. It's true. All these things are psychological.
So why are you taking me?
You asked me to, and I'm a good sister, and I'll support you regardless of what.
I mean, I think sometimes it's good to know, so that let's say if you're eating badly, let's say I'm overweight, which I think I am. So if I go and I'm told, okay,
BMI of 32,
I know your BMI is crazy, you need to do this. Maybe for me to be feeling better every morning, maybe for me to live a more fulfilling life, I need to go and get checked. Not that I'm trying to slow my death, okay, but it's just about, just being able to just have a nice life, from how you feel. So you go, okay, B, you need to lose weight, which I think I do. Betty, you need to work out more. Basically your heart rate, needs to maybe go a bit higher or lower. Those things I think is important, so that you live a more fulfilling life. So it's not really about slowing your death or denying reality, but I think it's just being able to just feel good about yourself, know that you're okay, are the things you need to improve about how you live and your lifestyle. Okay, so of course for us, okay, we're all over the place, we're grinding, we're doing all these things. You have your occasional drink, so I feel like sometimes you need to know, okay, fine, my kidney is okay, my liver is okay, but I need to work on maybe my water intake.
And what if all of them are not okay? You know how that's gonna be so stressful for you. It's gonna take a toll on you, on your reality, on your life. Just think about that before we get there.
No, I think it's okay to I think it's okay to know. Anyway, they're just going to check my chest X-ray to take my pap smear. Why? Okay, let me ask you, if you have that kind of wait.
Pap smear is painful.
No, it's not painful. It's just weird. For everybody who's had a pap smear, they insert this thing that looks like a tongue. You know that tongue for shisha?
You remove your clothes.
You remove your clothes.
No, that's what I can't do.
So Gloria has a phobia for removing her clothes. I don't know what she's gonna do when you get married.
You know that part for Sauti Solati, you only make love with the lights off.
I don't know what she's gonna do. So they're gonna do my pap smear, they're gonna do my X-ray chest, they're gonna look at my heart, they're gonna look at my, what else, there's so many, my blood pressure. Remember that time I had high blood pressure? So you see all those things. So it's a package of tests that I really, really want to do. And you guys, I'm gonna have you take me through it at Medihill.
Can you pay for me alafu nisifanye pap smear?
Wewe utajua utakifanya pap smear, utakifanya COVID, utakifanya HIV.
Hizo zingine tufanye.
So I'm actually no, you have to do HIV. Kwani, why don't you want to do HIV?
I'm telling you, these things are psychological. The moment you put yourself
but why would you? Have you been having unprotected sex?
No, I have not. That's not even Salina Gani. Mtu anaweza pata a blood transfusion.
You've never had a blood transfusion?
You know.
I'm your sister. If you had a blood transfusion, I would know. I should be one who's scared of HIV.
But then you see, okay, still, I'm telling you guys, these things are psychological.
Oh wait, but
you
then
know
how many
people
have
done COVID
Mom
tests.
doesn't watch this video.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
So how many people have done COVID tests and they took themselves to hospital, but then they can't take themselves back home for a solution because these things are psychological. The moment your brain knows you're sick, yani you get symptoms, you lose your taste at that very moment. Hakuna haja.
But as you're saying that, I'm like, these days when you eat food, you eat to taste if you can taste.
Yeah. Or you smell to see
if you can smell.
You pass by
perfume.
You pass by KFC, you're like,
yeah, why are you using KFC?
I'm good.
But then after this test, I swear, I just want some bad food.
Tunaona alafu wakwambie uko na fat sijui wapi imekava sijui nini.
What a way to live life. Anyway, guys, we're almost there at Medihill Hospital, and it's down at Parklands, right opposite another big hospital. Yeah, let's go and see. Let's go see how far we go with this test. I hope and I pray to God that everything is okay. But I think it's very important for you to have an annual medical checkup. Truly. I think it's very important. Cancer, you know, let me tell you the other thing. You know, like when you look at a disease like cancer, as much as you don't want to slow your death, what you're saying earlier,
yeah.
If you know if you have cancer, God forbid, at stage 1.
Yeah.
Do you know for you, before even you die, do you know the pain you go through when you get to stage 4? If you don't get, the necessary treatment and chemotherapy. So sometimes for these things, it's just to avoid pain and, like living a horrible life, Okay. So it's just taking care, a precaution and just saying, okay, fine. I am this, like this, I'm like this, I'm like this, I'm like this. Let me change things about myself right now. Let me eat healthier. Let me seek treatment if you need to, just to prevent, to prevent a difficult life ahead.
So if I could say something about that, I hear chemotherapy is painful.
It is extremely painful.
So
I've done features about people who've gone through.
Yeah, I remember you did.
Yeah.
So what's the difference? So there's pain regardless. You're trying to slow your death, but there's pain. But so there's pain without you going to hospital, and even if you go to hospital.
You know what we'll do? Let's go to the hospital. We're already here. Let's ask the doctor the importance of getting a medical checkup. Let a doctor explain. As we're here trying to scrutinize, to dissect.
One more question before we go. So how are you feeling now? Let's do a before and after. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling fine.
Is your head aching?
No.
Are you breathing okay?
Yes.
Did you sleep okay last night?
100%.
Mentally, how would you rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10?
Excited.
Okay, see, it's going to take a feeling. It's going to take emotion.
Oh, let's say it. Mentally, I'm at like what? Thankfully, thanks to God, I'm at like at around 8. The 2 is because I haven't eaten because you're not supposed to eat.
Sawa. Can you walk alright?
I can walk alright, yeah.
Can walk alright. So we're guaranteeing that by the time you're leaving here, you can walk.
Alright.
No. I'm trying to do something. I'm trying to see a before and after. Sindio?
Yeah.
So your stomach, how is it?
Rumbling because I'm hungry.
After you dewormed, how have you been feeling?
No difference.
Are you eating less or more?
Actually, I'm eating less.
That's nice. I'm happy for you. So guys, we're going to do the same evaluation right after we're out of hospital.
Okay, let's pray for the best. Normally I don't have veins because I'm fat.
Don't say you're fat.
Okay, not fat. I'm just thick. You see, I'm thick. I'm a thick girl. Oh my God.
Can you make a fist, please?
You're going to hata sijiko. You know kweli? Unasikia?
Koko ndani.
Ama tufanye huko. Hapa.
Yeah.
Hii inakuanga uchungu, tafuta hapo kwanza.
Yote ni uchungu, there's normally no difference.
This one ni uchungu
Betty Moga. Ni Moga. Mimi naogopa vitu mingi sana duniani. Lakini Mungu, mamangu na mtoto wangu na naogopa sana. Moto. Uji moto sikunywangi hata uji. First, you're so cool. You're making me relax and then the stories. Umekasikia? You know, Ivana is so brave. Ivana used to get these things almost every day.
And then everywhere.
Everywhere. Ivana, ilikuwa ibaki hapa. She has my daughter. She was hospitalized for some time. So every ninyamaze, nisiangalie.
But never itaingia.
Hey, faces, you're so good. Oh my gosh. Hata sijasikia kakiingia. Okay, nimesikia kidogo lakini hujanidunga. Me, I went to another hospital. Wale walinidunga. Nilidunga nikadunga.
Mimi.